A lady regularly went to the supermarket every week to buy daily necessities. Then one day, an employee's service attitude was not good. The offended lady never found the supermarket she had loved for 3 years. After 12 years, the lady visited the supermarket and told the owner why she had stopped visiting. Then the owner listened intently to the lady's advice and apologized sincerely. Since then, the owner has calculated how much he has lost, and he was surprised. If the lady had visited his store once a week and bought $25 worth of goods, she would have bought $15,600 for 12 years. He lost as much as $15,600 because of the slight negligence an employee made 12 years ago. A financial representation of the lifetime contribution of a customer is referred to as the customer lifetime value. When calculating a customer's LTV, you can realize how much loss you have lost one customer. So Domino's Pizza says to the delivery staff, "You're delivering a $4,000 pizza now." In other words, it makes employees realize that a pizza costs less than $10, but the customer's LTV for ordering it costs $4,000. Treat each and every customer with care. Customers are the future of your company.